Are you struggling to find new leads for your business? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you how to skyrocket your business using lead generation forms. Lead generation forms are powerful tools that can help you capture valuable information from potential customers. By collecting their contact details, you can follow up with them and turn them into loyal customers. So, how do you create an effective lead generation form? First, you need to keep it simple. Avoid asking for too much information up front. Stick to the essentials like name, email address, and maybe a phone number. Next, make sure your form stands out. Use attention-grabbing colors, eye-catching designs, and clear instructions. You want your potential customers to notice your form and feel compelled to fill it out. Remember, a compelling offer can make all the difference. Offer something valuable in exchange for their contact details. It could be a discount, a free consultation, or an ebook. The more valuable the offer, the more likely people will be to provide their information. Don't forget to place your lead generation form strategically. It should be prominently displayed on your website, preferably above the fold. You want people to see it as soon as they land on your site. Now, what do you do with all these leads? You follow up. After someone fills out your form, make sure to send them a personalized email thanking them for their interest. Offer more information about your products or services and provide a clear call to action. Incorporate automation tools to make your lead nurturing process easier. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on building relationships with your leads and converting them into paying customers. Generating leads for your business is crucial for success. By utilizing lead generation forms, you can start building a solid customer base and taking your business to new heights. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful business tips.